YouTube, it's Sarah Tyndall and
Edward Tyndall.
And we are doing an unboxing.
Y'all better watch out because she's in her workout shirt.
You're funny. It's something special to both of us that we both love and our son as well. And I wanted to do an unboxing for, we ordered some lovely stuff from this guy, and I told him I was going to do an unboxing. This is our first time ordering from him.
Crystal.
He's an amazing guy to order from. And
well, titanium knife. It's cool you're doing an unboxing in your workout shirt.
yay!
With packing like that, that is a heck of a workout.
If I can get it.
It's okay. Take your time. Wow. Ultimate amounts of packing. What?
One.
Look in here. Uh-oh. And this stuff's coming from where?
China.
Yangyang, China. Gifts. G-I-F-T-S. Gifts. This is a freebie. We'll save that for last. Freebies. Wow. Definitely an awesome guy to order from. What have we here?
I can get to it.
Dun dun dun. This is a cool unboxing. Don't go too fast and slice yourself wide open.
Oh.
With a dull scissor.
Well, I don't want to.
Wow. That guy can pack. I'm sure glad she wore her workout shirt today. It's going to be a workout.
Oh, it's a workout.
You're going to work for them gifts. Whoa. Whoa. Crazy redhead with a titanium knife. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
That's amazing stuff.
He is a good packer. This is the highlight of the video right here. I'm seeing this pack job.
You're funny.
He's a real packer, and he can pack a box. He's a real box packer, and he can pack a box. Wow. I may help her open the next one. She's struggling a little bit.
You want to talk about tape?
You definitely taped it, didn't you? If you want real tape, you gotta get it actual in China. Industrial strength. Uh-oh. Oh. What is that? A Unima corn. Oh. Wow, that feels so beautiful. Smells like China. Cool. Put that up on your neck, see what it looks like. Wow. Does it stand? Oh, it stands. It stands. Hey, you use that as a chest piece. So using a horse, you can have a unicorn chest piece. You want me to open one?
Yes, I want you.
You can hold it right here.
I want to see how hard it is to open.
definitely packed well. Some good tape, babe. Definitely.
And you want to talk about me having trouble.
Definitely.
Edward Tyndall's having trouble.
Definitely packed well. Okay, once you get down to the bubble wrap, you're doing good. What is that?
Oh, this.
Oh. Something dear to her heart.
Very dear to my heart.
Sarah loves smart things. That's what she got with me. I'm so damn smart. Quartz crystalling it. Yeah, whoa. That was beautiful. Camera's not really giving it justice. Cool. That stands as well. Here. Hold on. Put this right here. Right here in this area. Put it on the table because the camera will fall. Yin yang, put some yin yang in this thing. That one. Hold on. See the freshly unpacked. Get ready to sniff, everyone. Smell what China smells like. That looks like some labradorite. Oh, it's got a hole drilled in it. It is. Look at that flash, people. That is a labradorite owl. Wow. The backside and all that flash, you get golds and blues. Gotta say, when you order something from this guy, you get exactly what you want. He had some blue flash and he had some gold flash, and we preferred the gold flash. The exact item you order is the exact item you get. It's not always a thing. Oh, I was trying to show each one. It's not always a thing you find from Japan. What have we there? Magical stuff. That owl don't really stand, but it's fine. Okay. Put that one where it flashes right there. Clear. I'm gonna play spin the crystal. Wherever it lands, one of us is gonna end up kissing each other. Yep. We got double kiss for Sarah and one for me. That thing's pretty cool. Here. Unbubble wrapping is what we should call it. Unbubbling. It's an unbubbling event. Be prepared for a workout. That's our struggling face. have we here? Oh, multiple. Ooh, more beautiful. A flashy elephant. This looks like. It looks like fool's gold. Not labradorite, but fool's gold. If I'm gonna say, ooh, tiger's eye. Look at that tiger's eye burr. With a burr. Beautiful one. And then this looks like, is this soda light or something else? Don't know, but it's another bear. All kinds of new ornaments for tarantula cages. Oh, another bear. Yeah, this is one of my power stones, people. Look at that shiny bear booty. Shine that booty. Oh, shine that booty. Wax that booty. Wax that booty. Cool. So we have a bear, a mama bear, no, papa bear, a baby bear, or a papa bear, mama bear, baby elephant. What is it? Uh-oh. Another elephant. This one is blue tiger's eye. Wow. Blue tiger's eye elephant. Get that. She's working on that. I'm gonna work on gifts. This guy was wanting to be cool and give freebies out, so I'll probably get a follow-up order if my tarantulas like this stuff. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh, that one was mine. Give me my stuff. Let me unbox my own stuff. Down.
It is down.
Oh, that is a fine piece right here, friends. This is
Labrador.
lapis lazuli.
Yep.
Lapis lazuli cobra. Wow, I love it. How freaking cool is that? Whole animal kingdom. We also like rocks. We love animals, and we love animals that are rocks that are shaped like animals. There goes the freebie. Well, Sarah finished the freebie box since she's in her workout shirt. See what freebies we got. Oh, cool. That is awesome. He wasn't kidding when he said gifts, as in multiples. These are amethyst. A whole freaking bag of amethyst, loose stones. Lovely. Thank you so much, Zhou Yang Crystal, my friend. He says, hello, my dear friends. I am the seller and wholesaler of Chinese crystal. And they are some very fine crystal. He studied at that Chinese place. So he's a very educated, looks very educated Chinese crystal seller. One more time, we'll go over what we have. Ultimate amounts of little. These are also good energizing crystal to put in plants with your plants because they feed off of the energies that they create. Have some kind of an energy wand thing here. That is beautiful too. Oh yes, and it has all the different Reiki things. That's pretty sweet. We got Papa Bear.
which is
Beautiful flash. Tiger's eye. We have a Sodalite Mama Bar. We have a blue tiger's eye. Or brown, but I don't know if there's a different color tiger's eye. This is a different kind of tiger's eye. It's got some flash, but it's of a different caliber than this. This is like the best of the best of the best you can get right here. Look at that flash, people. Holy. Then you have a blue tiger's eye elephant. The mama elephant. We're going to have to get some more elephants. We don't have enough elephants. Alright, friend. You talked us into it. This one is pyrite, I do believe. Look at that. I believe that's a pyrite one. We have the lapis lazuli cobra, and that feels good to the touch, to the hand. I absolutely love to hold that. It feels nice to hold a piece of china in your hand. Wow. I said wow. Then we have the moonstone unicorn, which will stand. And then we have the owl cut into solid stone, carved. Looks to be laser etched, maybe, possibly. Could be done by hand, but possibly laser cut. And that is an awesome piece. And then we have the labradorite. None of this stuff's marked. I'm just going off of memory. This is the labradorite owl. I love labradorite. That's something beautiful to look at, and it helps open your third eye. So people gazing into wide wonder like this, what better form to do it in than an owl, something, a creature of intense intelligence. Not all birds have intense intelligence, unless he's warning us that our other package is on the way. We have a tarantula unboxing coming today, and you'll guess what it is. Stay tuned, people. Dun 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 dun. Edward Tyndall and labradorite owl Tyndall out.